Mastering English Demonstratives. This versus these. Hello, English learners. Welcome back to another exciting session on our Grammar Fundamentals series. Today, we're going to delve into the world of demonstrative determiners, focusing specifically on this and these. Both are simple, yet pivotal tools in the English language. Let's unravel the mystery surrounding their usage and understand the key difference between this and these. Demonstrative determiners, also known as demonstratives, are words used in English to point out or show something. This and these are two such demonstratives. They help us specify and differentiate what we're talking about. For example, in a room full of chairs, you might say, "I prefer this chair." The word this helps to identify which chair you're referring to. This is a singular demonstrative determiner. It's used to refer to someone or something that is near us or is happening now. It could be used for both people and objects. Let's see some examples. This is my car. Can you hear this sound? Remember, this is used for singular nouns or one item. On the other hand, these is a plural demonstrative determiner. We use these when we're referring to more than one person or object that is near us. Here are a couple of examples to make this clear. These are my friends. Can you see these stars? So, these is used with plural nouns or more than one item. So, what's the difference between this and these? The key lies in the number. We use this for singular items and these for plural items. Always remember that. And also, they both indicate items that are near us or happening now. Let's do a quick exercise. Fill in the blank with this or these. 1. Blank is my phone. 2. Blank are my shoes. 3. Can you see blank bird? 4. Blank are my keys. This practice will help reinforce your understanding. And that wraps up our video on this versus these. We hope you've gained a clearer understanding of these two vital demonstrative determiners. Remember, practice is key in mastering these nuances of English grammar. So, keep practicing and we'll see you in our next video. Happy learning!